So, I welcome you guys to a new video. Thank you for tuning in already. Today we are discussing the seismic activity first, so earthquakes first, and then we are going to the volcanic update of today, volcano activity, etc. So, I would say let's go. So yeah, seismic activity first, La Palma. Strong stormquake December 24th of 2020. Since tonight, a strong stormquake has manifested itself on the Canary island of La Palma. The EMSC has so far registered 59 vibrations with magnitudes between 1.5 and 2.3. There are probably numerous weaker vibrations, microquakes, that are not displayed. The epicenters are located in an area of the volcanic ridge Cumbre Vieja, 15 kilometers southeast of Los Llanos de Aridane. Most of the hypercenters were located at depths of over 20 kilometers and thus in a region of the asthenosphere in which such earthquakes are mainly caused by magma ascent. The most recent eruption so far occurred on La Palma in 1971. Already in the summer there were swarms of earthquakes and in the medium term there could be an eruption here. So next, volcano, seismic activity, let's go. Greece, quake magnitude 4.6 in the Gulf of Corinth. It shook with a magnitude of 4.6. The epicenter was located 30 kilometers northeast of Patra. The depth of the hypocenter is given as only 2 kilometers. A few aftershocks followed. Some moderate earthquake also occurred off the west coast of Greece. So next update, Palau, earthquake magnitude 5.9. The strongest earthquake since yesterday occurred in the Palau region east of the Philippines and north of Indonesia. The quake had a magnitude of 5.9. The hypocenter was located at a depth of 30 kilometers. The epicenter was 159 kilometers south of Koror. Palau is a small island state in the Micronesian archipelago. It comprises 356 islands with a population of less than 1,800. Puerto Rico swarm quake continues. The swarm of earthquakes that has manifested itself off the southeast coast of the Caribbean state for a few days continues unabated. Today alone there were 25 tremors. The strongest had a magnitude of 3.9 at a depth of 10 kilometers. The epicenter was 14 kilometers south of Yauco. There were also moderate tremors in the Dominican Republic and Haiti. The tensions are high and the risk of strong earthquakes are also high. So now the second part of the video, we're coming to the volcanic update from today. Etna produced a strong explosion. Update on to December 24th of 2020. Last night there was a single powerful explosion on Mount Etna in Sicily. It rattled windows and doors in the places on the volcanic flank and generated a pronounced infrasound signal on the ENGV seismograms. Dr. Boris Benki wrote that it was the strongest signal that he has ever seen. However, the southeast crater between the paroxysm repeatedly produces isolated explosions. These are also typical of the final phase of a paroxysm and have often been described as perotogmatic. So yeah. This morning the volcano is in a state of permanent ash ejection. The ash cloud is transported eastwards by the strong wind. There are also always strombolian pulses during which glowing tephra is expelled. The tremor is moderate and is in the yellow area. The question is whether the activity will increase to a paroxysm, which would be less typical if ash is extracted for a longer period of time, or whether it will stay with the ash eruption for the time being. Kilauea. Lava lake continues to grow. The lava lake continues to grow at the Kilauea in Hawaii. The thermal images shows that lava plates have formed on the lake surface, but that they float on the lake made of melt. This creates the typical image of a lava lake. How long it will remain active is uncertain. The production rate has decreased significantly and the lake rises more slowly. Of course, this is also due to the fact that the crater becomes larger and larger towards the top and the lake level rises more slowly due to the larger volume. The main vent in the north face of the crater has not yet been flooded. The last update of the HVO states that the lava lake is 143 meters deep, holds a volume of 12 million cubic meters of lava, and covers an area of 22 hectares. A strong sulfur dioxide emission is measured. It amounts to 30,000 tons per day. Deflation continues and seismics are stable at an elevated level. So that was it, guys. Thank you for listening, and thank you guys for tuning in and listening to the video. Hope you find the content interesting, and yeah, if so, I would appreciate a free subscription. Thank you guys, and we will see us tomorrow again with the seismic and volcanic update of tomorrow. So we will see us.